Potentials, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar Sombr, new song, Potential. Great song. So let's go into Sombr's new Potential song. And we're going to do that without any capo. It's clean there. And we're going to go through the chords. I believe we have 7 chords. So let's start with F first. And we have this bar chord. So it's index finger placed on the first fret. You push down all strings there as much as you can. And then you go over to this 3rd fret A with your ring finger and a little pinky on 3rd D. And then mid finger on 2nd G. That is the F chord. Next is A minor. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have D minor as well. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have the C. And that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we need to play G as well in the bridge part later on. It goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. G minor as well. We're gonna use the bar chord for that. So it's a bar on the 3rd fret. You cross all strings there. Then you need to add 5th A and 5th D. And finally, we have the A sharp sus2, another bar chord. This time on the 1st fret, you push down 5 strings. The last E string in the bass is not necessary. And then you go to 3rd D and 3rd G. And there we have all the chords. Now, into the strumming. I did a strumming now which follows kind of the rhythm and beat in the song. So it goes like this. You can do this in different ways. This is my way of playing the song, and we're gonna use that almost through the entire song. So what you're gonna do here, if you grab the F chord, is to play 2 downs first. I like to separate them, so the first down on the bass strings, and the second down on the higher strings. Down there. Then comes down, up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. That's it. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Alright, so let's go into the verse. And by the way, the chorus is played in the same way. So we have both parts now covered with this F, 1 string around, A minor, 1, D minor, 1, and C, 1. You're going to play that in the verse play for 2 rounds. So F, A minor, D minor, and C again. Alright, so 2 rounds of that. That's the first verse. Into the pre-chorus at 35 seconds in. There will be, and so on. What you're going to play now is 2 halves. The first half, so to speak, is A minor. You're gonna play just 1 down with pauses in between. Then C, then F, and D minor. The second half is played exactly in the same way. Instead of playing D minor as the last chord there, you're gonna play A minor instead. So you're gonna play A minor, then C, then F, and here comes the change, A minor. Only for this 1 chord progression around, that is the pre-chorus. Now, into the chorus at 57 seconds in, we had Potential. I already told you guys we have played it. So you're going to play exactly the same way as the verse now for 4 rounds. F, A minor, D minor, and C. That is the first round. Second round is actually repetition, guys, except from the second chorus. And the first round you play 4 rounds. This time you only play 2 rounds. That's the only difference. After that second chorus comes the bridge part. We're hearing now the 2 minute and 26 second mark. Now you're gonna use the other chords. You're gonna play G, 2 string rounds, then G minor, 2 string rounds, D minor, 1, C, 1. You repeat all that again. So G2, G minor 2, D minor 1, C1, and then you're gonna finish off with A sharp 2 string rounds. We don't have to go through that. I think you understand what's going on there. I mentioned numbers for you. It's up to you to play it. So after that bridge part, you're gonna go into this final chords, and you're gonna play that F, A minor, D minor, and C for 6 full rounds. And yeah, that's it, guys. Sombr, Potential, nice song. So give it a shot. Hope to see you soon, guys. Play tuned.